Imagine if your body already had a built-in system designed to slow aging, repair damaged cells, and keep you feeling younger for longer. What if the real secret to activating this powerful system was not expensive supplements or complicated diets, but simply how and when you eat every single day? Welcome to LiveWell Insights, where we uncover the fascinating science behind the foods and habits that can transform your health from the inside out. Today we are diving into a Nobel Prize-winning discovery that revealed one of the most powerful anti-aging mechanisms hidden inside your body. A cellular process that literally cleans out damaged material and renews your cells. But here is the surprising part. Many modern eating habits actually prevent this powerful repair system from ever turning on. In this video, you will discover simple, science-backed strategies that can help activate your body's natural cellular repair, boost energy, and support long-term longevity, starting with the very next meal you eat. Stay with us. The science behind this could completely change how you think about food forever. Welcome to LiveWell Insights, where we explore the incredible science of how your daily meals can literally reverse cellular aging. If you enjoy learning the real science behind healthy aging and longevity, make sure to subscribe to LiveWell Insights so you never miss our future videos. Today, we move beyond basic superfoods to reveal how specific eating habits unlock your body's powerful, natural, cellular repair systems. Imagine your body as a highly advanced biological machine that constantly requires deep maintenance to stay youthful, vibrant, and healthy. Every bite of food you take acts as a biological signal, instructing your cells to either grow or begin repairing. But modern diets keep us trapped in a continuous state of digestion, preventing our natural healing mechanisms from ever starting. To understand this clearly, we must look at groundbreaking research that won the Nobel Prize in the year 2016. Japanese scientist Yoshinori Ohsumi discovered the exact mechanisms underlying a miraculous cellular process known scientifically as autophagy, or self-eating. Autophagy is essentially your cellular recycling program, where healthy cells actively hunt down and consume damaged proteins and older materials. Think of it as a microscopic cleaning crew that sweeps through your entire body, clearing out harmful biological waste products. Without this vital cleanup process, cellular garbage accumulates rapidly, which significantly accelerates aging and increases your risk of chronic diseases. If you find this kind of science fascinating, take a moment to like this video so more people can learn how the body truly heals itself. So, how do we activate this incredible cleaning crew to keep our biological systems running smoothly and feeling completely rejuvenated? The secret lies in a hormone called insulin, which your pancreas releases every single time you consume any caloric food. Autophagy only activates strongly when your insulin levels drop significantly, which basically means giving your digestive system a proper rest. When insulin remains constantly elevated due to frequent snacking, your body stays locked in a continuous, exhausting state of growth. This constant growth phase completely blocks the natural repair mode, meaning those damaged cells are never properly cleared away anymore. The modern habit of eating from the moment we wake up until right before bed is destroying our cellular health. By constantly grazing on refined carbohydrates and sugary snacks, we never allow our insulin to fall to those baseline levels. This is why establishing a healthy metabolic rhythm is the absolute most important step you can take for your longevity. A simple yet powerful strategy is implementing an overnight fast lasting anywhere between 12 to 14 hours every single day. For example, if you finish eating your delicious dinner at 7, simply wait until 9 tomorrow morning for your breakfast. During those final few hours of your morning fast, your insulin drops low enough to finally trigger that deep autophagy. Your cells suddenly switch from storing energy to actively repairing themselves, literally turning back the biological clock from the inside. If you are still watching, comment the word autophagy below so we know you are serious about improving your health. But what happens when you finally break that fast? The specific foods you choose matter just as much as fasting. If you immediately eat processed carbohydrates, your insulin spikes dramatically, violently pulling your body out of its delicate healing state. This brings us to a crucial strategy for controlling your hormones: the specific order in which you consume your food. Scientific studies show that eating your foods in the correct sequence can drastically reduce the resulting blood sugar spike afterwards. Always start your meals by eating fiber-rich vegetables first, followed closely by healthy proteins and high-quality dietary fats. Save your starchy carbohydrates for the very end of the meal to ensure a slow, steady release of glucose energy. The fiber from the vegetables creates a protective mesh inside your stomach, which physically slows down the absorption of sugars. This simple trick keeps your insulin curve perfectly flat, allowing your body to quickly return to its natural repair state. Now let us explore another fascinating biological mechanism that directly interacts with your cellular repair systems: the concept of hormesis. Hormesis is the scientific principle that a tiny amount of biological stress actually makes your cells significantly stronger and younger. Exercise is a perfect example of this, but certain special compounds found in plants can also trigger this exact effect. These magical compounds are called polyphenols, and they act as a mild, healthy challenge to your internal biological defense systems. When you consume polyphenols, your cells respond by ramping up their own natural antioxidant production, creating profound, long-term resilience. If you enjoy learning practical health tips like this, consider sharing this video with someone who wants to stay healthy as they age. One of the most powerful sources of these beneficial compounds is high-quality, extra virgin olive oil consumed very regularly. The unique polyphenols in olive oil have been scientifically proven to activate specific longevity genes within your complex cellular architecture. Green tea is another incredible beverage packed with powerful catechins that naturally stimulate your metabolism and encourage deep cellular healing. Dark, vibrant berries like blueberries and blackberries are absolutely loaded with these protective compounds, giving them their rich, beautiful colors. Even your morning cup of black coffee contains a massive amount of polyphenols that actively protect your brain from aging. Raw cacao is another fantastic superfood, providing a massive dose of cellular defense compounds along with essential minerals like magnesium. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts contain unique sulfur compounds that gently stress your cells into becoming much stronger. Regularly incorporating these specific foods into your diet ensures your body receives a constant stream of these longevity-boosting signals. Remember, it is not just about avoiding bad foods. It is about actively challenging your biology with these powerful nutrients. As we age, another critical factor in our overall longevity is the flexibility and health of our complex vascular system. Your blood vessels are responsible for delivering oxygen and vital nutrients to every single repairing cell throughout your entire body. To keep these vessels youthful and highly flexible, your body desperately needs a crucial molecule known as nitric oxide daily. Nitric oxide acts as a powerful vasodilator, meaning it helps your blood vessels relax and widen for optimal blood flow. Unfortunately, our natural production of this vital molecule drops significantly as we get older, leading to stiffer, less efficient arteries. The good news is that you can easily boost your nitric oxide levels by eating specific, nitrate-rich whole foods. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and arugula are packed with natural dietary nitrates that your body quickly converts into nitric oxide. Beetroots are perhaps the most famous and effective food for generating massive amounts of healthy nitric oxide in your bloodstream. Drinking fresh beetroot juice has been clinically shown to lower blood pressure and improve athletic performance almost immediately after consumption. By keeping your vascular system wide open and flexible, you ensure that those cellular cleaning crews can travel everywhere efficiently. If you have made it this far in the video, Type health in the comments so we know you are committed to a healthier future. All of these incredible biological mechanisms work together in perfect harmony to keep you feeling remarkably youthful, energetic, and alive. Autophagy clears out the dangerous debris, while low insulin ensures your body actually spends enough time in this repair mode. Polyphenols provide the necessary mild stress to fortify your cells, and nitric oxide guarantees the delivery system remains perfectly clear. It is a beautiful, intricate symphony of biological processes that you can consciously conduct through your daily dietary lifestyle choices. You do not need expensive supplements or dangerous medical interventions to activate these highly effective, natural anti-aging defense pathways. You simply need to align your eating habits with the ancient, evolutionary rhythms that your human body was designed for. Stop grazing all day long and give your overworked digestive system the critical downtime it needs to heal your tissues. Embrace the mild discomfort of a morning fast, knowing that your cells are busily cleaning house and renewing your vitality. When you do sit down to eat, always prioritize structural fiber and healthy proteins before indulging in any starchy carbohydrates. Flood your system with colorful, polyphenol-rich plants that challenge your biology in the exact ways it needs to thrive. And never forget to nourish your blood vessels with those vital leafy greens to maintain a strong, flexible cardiovascular system. Food is not just simple fuel, it is the most powerful medicine you will ever encounter in your entire life. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the fascinating world of cellular biology and advanced human nutrition. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to LiveWell Insights for more science-backed strategies to support your health and longevity. This has been LiveWell Insights, wishing you a vibrant journey ahead as you unlock the ultimate secrets of cellular health.